Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Jade. I make makeup and give this video a like. Also, in today's video I'm going to be testing a bunch of new makeup products that I recently got sent or I purchased. Most of them I purchased or got gifted at Christmas from like family and friends. But yeah, if you guys love finding new goodies to try out, then you'll definitely love this video because I go in and use pretty much a full face of new products. So yeah guys, if you want to continue watching and see what goodies we get to try, then let's just go ahead and get started with the video. Firstly, I already went and did my brows because I don't have any new brow products. Also guys, before I start, let me know in the comments down below what you think of the setup. I'm trying something new because I recently got some new lights, so let me know what you think down below. We're going to start obviously with foundation, which is the Scream Queen foundation. I've not heard too many people talk about this, but I'm hoping it's good. It's actually, I think it's going to be a little bit too light for me right now, but we will see. Take my eggshell brushes. I was kindly sent these on Instagram, so yeah. I think this foundation is actually more of a natural foundation. It's actually not too light, I don't think. Yeah, it's a really light coverage. As you can see, it like gives a kind of glow. So yeah, as you can see, I added a little bit of my cream foundation. This is so I can like bronze and things like that, because the foundation, as you can see, is a little pale. But yeah, my thoughts on this foundation, I think if you're like a full coverage queen, I don't think you'll like this. So I actually quite enjoy it, but it's definitely more of a natural foundation. But it does say that on the bottle. I kept seeing this on TikTok because of the huge doe foot. I hope you guys can see that. But yeah, I got mine in the shade Light Ivory, so I hope this is... Wow, you don't need a lot of this at all. You get so much on that one dip, which is crazy because I've normally got to like dip in twice or whatever. It doesn't really have... It just smells like concealer pretty much. It kind of smells similar to my Maybelline one. I like quite a highlighted under eye. So yeah. We'll see how this sets and things like that. How is everyone coping with being in lockdown again? Well, I know the whole of the UK is in lockdown right now, but I don't know about the US. But Scotland's been back in lockdown now since the 26th of December, and I'm slowly losing my marbles. But yeah, pretty much I'm just getting bored, so I thought I would keep myself busy by filming and doing makeup and things like that. Okay guys, so that's me back, and now as you can see the concealer blended really nice into the skin. So I'm now going to begin in with the Maybelline Fit Me Loose Finishing Powder. This was actually a recommendation from my friend Echo here on, not here on YouTube, here on Instagram. I think she has a YouTube, I don't know. But yeah, my friend Echo said this was pretty similar to the, if not better, than the Huda Beauty powder, and if you guys have been watching a while, you know I love the Huda Beauty powder. It's just the smell that puts me off. I'm just going in with the shade 05. I'm just going to go in with a little, what do we call it? Triangle, because I need to wash my beauty blenders. So this is what I'm dealing with right now. It's currently stained green. I have washed this, but the green staining just doesn't want to come out. Yeah, so it doesn't really have a smell, which I like because The Huda one stinks. Like, it's a good powder, but it stinks. Brush. Most of the brushes I'm using today are Eco, by the way. I'm just going to go ahead and pat that in and slightly flick. Just the same as I do with my Huda. Next, I'm going to go in with the Beauty Bay Beach bronzer, which is like a orangey toned bronzer, and if you guys know me, that is my favourite type of bronzer. So yeah. Oh, that's nice. Like, you don't even really need to blend it, you don't need to work hard to blend it because it's such a soft bronzer. So you literally just need to tap it on the skin and it's blended. Which I love, because who likes spending forever blending bronzer? I'm just going to take this down my nose as well. Bronzer, I love. Literally takes 0 effort to blend. So if you guys need a new bronzer, definitely check out the Beauty Bay. I don't think Beauty Bay's bronzer is too expensive either, which is fab. Now I'm going to begin in with the Dare to Be Different blush by HNB Cosmetics, which looks like this, and this is in the colour Also Snatched. I mean, how cute is that name? So I'm actually going to tell you guys, I've actually already tried this and I love it. If you guys have been watching me or following me for a while, you guys know I'm obsessed with blush. And this is like a super pigmented blush and it's literally perfect. Like, this colour, is this not me? Like, come on. Now I'm going to go on with, I actually got this in a giveaway, but it is the Josh Cosmetics pressed highlighter in Luna, which, I mean, literally one tap and it's just unreal. I'm just going to put some of that on my nose. How beautiful is that? If you guys like a pop-in highlight, you'll definitely love this. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and did a quick little simple smoked out liner look. But now I'm going to go on and try the Makeup Revolution 5D Lash. I actually got sent this a few days before Christmas, before it launched, so I've actually already tried it once and so far I loved it. So I just thought I would include it in this. I used the last time, I loved it. Like, I don't know about you guys, but look at the difference. I don't know about you guys, but the difference is crazy. Okay guys, so I just went ahead and finished applying my mascara. Now I'm going to get on to the lashes. So okay, so I'm back finally. My camera died on me, but I think what I was saying was the lashes. These are literally the perfect style for me. I like something that's fluffy but not too fluffy, if you get what I mean. So these are perfect and they like fluff out at the end, which I love. But I'm now just going to go on to using a lip liner because I don't have any new lipstick. So I'm going to take the shade, these are by Morphe by the way, and I think I'm going to take the shade Backseat Love. Yeah, these are the, I don't know if you guys can see, but it's like a pinky brownie. Okay, so yeah, first off, they're really creamy. Morphe lip pencils. These are literally, I think I got these in the sale for £4 I think it was each, which I mean is insane. So yeah, if you're looking for a good creamy lip liner, then definitely check out them. Glosses, so I'm just going to go in with the Fenty Gloss Bomb, because this is literally my favourite gloss. It's in the shade Fenty Glow, which is the original I believe. But that is pretty much the video all complete. Yeah, I'm just going to spray my face with the Primark Prime Infused Hydrating Primer. It's like the dupe of MAC. I'm just going to quickly give a rundown on all the products. So for the foundation, I love, but I wouldn't use it as full coverage because it's not really to my full coverage standards. So if you like more of a natural finish, then you will love this. Like the e.l.f. concealer, love. Like I just love how the doe foot is huge and you literally only need one dip and that's you've covered your whole face. This powder, oh my god, you guys need it. If you need a new powder and you don't want to pay a fortune, definitely try the Maybelline Fit Me, which you can get on Amazon. So you guys, shout out to my friend Echo for that because she's really put me on. Then what did I do after that? I did bronzer. Beauty Bay bronzer is a yes. Like it's just beautiful. Like the shade is perfect for me. I like more of an orangey bronzer because I don't know, I just prefer it. But yeah, definitely if you need a new bronzer and don't want to pay a fortune, Beauty Bay is your plug. Highlighter, this is great. This is not for the faint hearted though. Like if you're not a fan of really bright highlights, I don't think you're going to like this because even with the slightest little tap, it is blinding. Like I used one swipe on each cheek and I'm like, I need my sunglasses on. But yeah, so if you don't like a crazy highlight, then I don't think you're going to love that. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and if you guys try any of these products, let me know what you think of them. But yeah, to end off, pretty much I'm obsessed with all of these products I used today. So if I don't say so myself, I pretty much picked a lot of these goodies and I picked some bangers, like I'm not gonna lie. So if you guys try any of these products, then definitely tag me on Instagram or comment down below if you try any of them. But that is pretty much it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed and I'll see you in my next video. Bye guys!